Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're going to see how to use Snapchat Spotlight. So it is available only in the Snapchat premium version. So I'm going to show you the steps how you can use that. So use the camera to record a video snap. Snapchat recommends adding a topic to your snap. And when you're ready to send, choose Spotlight from the send to your options and tap the submit button to send your snap to Spotlight. If you're over 18, you can choose to share your snap anonymously, meaning it won't contain your name or be linked to your profile, public profile. And tap the play icon on the bottom navigation bar to enter Spotlight and scroll through the feed to see various snaps. You can hurt, share, or add creators to your recent list. Use the search icon to find specific topics or creators. You can share your Spotlight snaps with friends or add them in your own story. You can also upload Spotlight on web through my.snapchat.com. There are some key guidelines for using Spotlight. The first one is vertical videos. There must be sound included. Videos should be between 5 and 60 seconds long. Content should be original and not included watermarks from other platforms. And sponsored products or services are not allowed, and content should be appropriate for a 13 plus audience. So yeah, these are the ways with which you can use your Snapchat Spotlight. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.